everybody. Today we're gonna go to Investo Global's office. Now, over the past few months, we've been to a couple of places, but I haven't actually introduced you to the Investo Global family until today. This is an office consisting of 2 floors. The office on the second floor is the management office, whereas the upper floor is the operation office. Let's take a look at the management office first. Come with me. Investo Global is a Turkish group company operating for more than 10 years and includes health, architecture, restaurant chains, and real estate consultancy services. As Investo Global, we bring foreign investors abroad together with the most suitable real estate for their wishes and needs. We help you find the right investment, help you with the legal questions, and facilitate all your processes. This is the place where I spend most of my time, and to be honest, it is the most fun place. It is by all means a creative agency. Here we have copywriters in 10 different languages, web developers, graphic designers, motion design experts, videographers, editors, drone pilots, camera operators, basically everything a creative agency needs. And here is one of the people that I spent most of my time with. He is the manager of our video team and his name is Alihan.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And over here we have our creative director Hakan. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
He has a great car collection, guys. And here we have our team leader of the copywriter team, Mada. How are you doing, Mada?
Hey Resh, I'm good. How are you?
Great as always. Thank you so much. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing here?
As copywriter team, we create contents in different languages and support our departments in terms of content and create and publish contents for our website and our social media platforms.
Interesting, great. You just talked about different languages.
Yeah.
How many languages are we talking about, and which are those languages?
It's approximately 10 and more than 10. For starters, it's Turkish, English, French, German, Arabic, Persian, Russian, Azerbaijani, Urdu, and Pashto.
Wow, that's quite a number. Okay, so do you have anything else you would like to say to our viewers?
Yes, definitely. I strongly advise them to check our website. We publish articles that is related to investment in Turkey and Turkey in general. So make sure you check that out too.
Great, thanks so much. Okay, let's move on. Oh, the HR is having a job interview there. We keep employing people. And here's our lawyer, Eylül. You might already know her from her videos. If you haven't checked them out yet, make sure to click this link right here to watch the videos because they're very informative. Hey Eylül, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm super great, thanks. How's the job going?
Actually, pretty busy lately, but you know, I love what I'm doing.
That's great, let's move on. And now here we are with our marketing manager, Alper. Alper, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Resh. How about you?
Thank you, I feel super fine today. I have a couple of questions for you. First of all, how long have you been working for Investo Global?
I'm working for Investo Global for more than 2 years.
That's a great time. Yeah. So the main thing that I'm curious about today is there are so many hundreds of companies out there. Right. What is it that makes Investo Global different, Alper?
Right. And there are hundreds, or we can say even thousands of investment consultancy companies or individuals in the market. But Investo Global has more than 100 employees, young employees, and constantly developing because laws and rules always changing, and they get adapted really fast into these situations. And we always put the customer and their unique needs in our main focus point, and we always stand with the customer.
Those are some important facts to mention because in this country, really laws tend to change really fast, and you will see obviously see in this video that we have a young and dynamic team. And yeah, thank you. I don't want to disturb you any further, and I'm going to be moving on.
All right, take care.
Yeah, you too. Sevgin is like the mother of our company, and here she is. She makes great Turkish coffee. She's actually preparing one right now. Let me hug you. And here we have another room, but there's a presentation inside it right now, so we gotta be a little bit quiet. Here is a beautiful area where you can socialize, grab a coffee, and have like small meetings, as you can see. But yeah, let's move on. And here we have Salsan. She is our international relations manager. If you haven't watched her video on our channel yet, make sure to click this link right here because she has very informative videos in Arabic. Hi Salsan.
Hey, how are you?
I'm great, thank you so much. Why did I not ask you back? How are you?
I'm great, actually.
Okay, great. So can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing here?
Okay, so the department, which is international relations, is like the main goal of it is like expanding Investo Global's relations all over the world. By establishing what? By establishing partnerships, and it might be local or global. On the other hand, those partnerships cannot be only with the real estate agencies, but individuals and businessmen as well. And at the end, I can say that each deal that we do, we can have a mutual profits together.
Okay, thank you. And here we have Kusai. He is our education specialist. He's responsible for the training of our investment specialist team. Hi, Kusai.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you. I'm fine. What are you doing?
It's okay? Everything fine?
Okay, great. All right, let's move on, guys. Okay, we're now at the operations office where the whole operation is carried out. Now here we are. Here, our investment consultant team provides service to our clients on the phone. We have operations in the Gulf, the Arabian Peninsula, North Africa, Pakistan, Iran, Afghanistan, and Russia. As you can see, a lot of people are working right now, so I don't want to be too loud, but we also have some empty tables. That's because we're always hiring new people, and we have some new employees coming over soon. So yeah, right over there we have the call center supervisor, Hussam. Hussam, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm super great. How's it going?
Everything is good. So
Okay.
I am Hussam Asiri. I am the leader of call center.
Yeah.
You are always welcome.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's move on. Let's talk to our after sales manager, Summit. There he is. Come with me.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, and how are you?
Thank you so much. Summit, I have a very important question for you.
Yes.
Can you tell me what kind of services the after sales team provides?
To our customers.
Yeah, of course.
So, after sales team is like the cast behind of the scene. So they do a lot, but in front of the camera they are not seen.
Okay.
When it comes to after sales process begins right after the investor has decided on a project. When they decide on a project, first of all we predict and plan everything in front. So let me repeat again. Once they decide on a project, we take all the official workload off their shoulders and we guide them. And most importantly, we guide them when it's needed. We guide them in their own language.
In their own language. Okay, let's say I'm from Pakistan. What are you going to do about it?
So there's someone who speaks Urdu in our after sales team.
Okay, so we're all covered. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Take care. Let's move on. Hi guys. I actually wanted to talk to our portfolio manager, Said, but apparently he's in a meeting right now, and I think we should disturb them. Let's go. Hi guys. I hope I'm disturbing. That was my plan. How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you so much. This is Said. Can you tell us who you are, Said?
My name is Ahmet Said. I'm portfolio manager of Investo Global company.
Okay, great. So, Said, I have a very specific question for you. How do you respond to the diverse needs and demands of the clients?
The most important feature of our portfolio team is that it consists entirely of civil engineers. This way, we have more technical knowledge. The technical details of construction are more important than the project beauty of the project. Our team monitors the projects while adding the project to our portfolio and offers new options that have passed the expert filter.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
To our right, we have Emre. How are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
Thank you so much. Emre is actually the business development manager of our company. And Emre, today I have a very important question for you as well.
Yes, I am listening.
Okay, great. So, as we already mentioned before, our company is a very multinational company. We have people who work for us from all over the world, so we have all kinds of different cultures here, all at one place. How do you maintain a good atmosphere amongst so many different people?
As Investo Global, the company culture is so important for us. Everyone should respect to each other and also should respect to the company's rules. Rules are important, but on the other hand, the motivation is so important for all of us.
Yeah. So, what do you actually do to keep the employees motivated?
We often organize some events for motivation.
Okay,
for
like
example,
like football, right?
Yeah. We organize the football match on the field that you see here.
Yeah. And also breakfast.
In this way, we are increasing the connections of the employee with each other through a sweet competition.
Yeah.
Especially on the weekend before we start work, we have a breakfast together.
Yeah.
And also, I have a good news for you. Tomorrow, an amazing gala night is waiting for all of us.
Yeah.
It will be organized by Investo Global and its group companies.
Yes, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna see you guys all at the gala night.